Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be breaking down two important concepts in the world of AI, automation and augmentation. If you've heard these terms before but aren't sure what they really mean or how they differ, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's start with automation. Now, when we talk about automation in AI, we're talking about systems that can take over tasks that were traditionally performed by humans, with little to no human involvement once they're up and running. Automation is all about replacing repetitive, rule-based tasks. Think of things like data entry, handling invoices, or even customer support chatbots. These systems are designed to do a specific job over and over with consistency and speed. For example, imagine a factory where robots are building cars. The robots don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and they perform the same task exactly the same way every time. That's automation in action. Now let's talk about augmentation. This is where things get a little more interesting. Augmentation doesn't aim to replace humans. It's designed to help us. It's about enhancing our abilities, giving us tools that support us in making better, faster decisions. Think of a doctor using AI to help analyze medical scans. The AI might point out areas of concern, but the final decision, what the diagnosis is or what treatment to give, that's still in the doctor's hands. The AI is there to assist, not take over. Or imagine using an AI-powered writing tool. It can suggest improvements to your grammar or offer new ideas, but you're still the one writing the story. The key here is that humans and AI are working together. So, what's the big difference between automation and augmentation? Automation is about replacing human tasks, letting machines take over repetitive jobs. Augmentation, on the other hand, is about enhancing human abilities, helping us be more efficient, more creative, and more informed. In a nutshell, automation takes over tasks, while augmentation empowers us to do them better. And there you have it. Automation and augmentation explained. I hope this cleared up any confusion. If you're interested in learning more about AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly videos on this exciting topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.